use a stethoscope. These instructions are far overlooked, so let me show you the basics. There's 3 things we want to make sure we're doing. Number 1, how to wear it. We need to place the earpieces the correct way in our ears. This seems silly, but I've seen many people put them in the wrong way. Notice how the earpieces are curving forward. We want to place them in our ears so that they're curving forward too. If you put them backwards, you're not going to hear a thing. Number 2, how to turn it on. You're probably thinking, where the heck is an on-off switch? If you rotate the tubing, you'll hear a click, which opens either the bell or the diaphragm. If the diaphragm is open, the bell will be closed, and vice versa. This is one of the most common things we forget to do and why we usually can't hear anything when it's placed on the chest. It just means it's off. And number 3, how to place it on the chest. Like I mentioned before, you may have a dual head stethoscope. The diaphragm is used for higher pitched sounds like breath sounds or normal heart sounds, and the bell is used for lower pitched sounds like murmurs and bowel sounds. And that's it, you learned how to use a stethoscope.